because progress built on calm is stronger than progress built on fear. And when panic steps aside, progress finally has room to grow. Another reason panic shows up is not because we're moving too slowly, but because something is misaligned. Panic is often a signal, not that we need to hurry, but we need to reassess where our energy is going. When direction is unclear, speed becomes a substitute. We move faster to compensate for uncertainty. We add more tasks to feel productive. We fill our schedules so we don't have to sit with the question of whether we're actually focused on the right things. But speed can fix misalignment. It only hides it temporarily. Progress without panic requires the courage to slow down enough to ask better questions. What am I actually working toward? Does this